Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, happy at home, isn't it? So, children, let us come back to our science class. Video 4, lesson number 3, food and health. So, children, in this video, we are going to learn about junk food. Okay, children. Before that, let us recap what we have learned in our last class. Last video was ways of making our diet healthy. How, in what way we can make our diet healthy. So, we have seen that for that we need to avoid eating fried fruits to reduce the amount of fat in our diet. And next thing is eat a healthy and nutritious breakfast to get energy to remain active throughout the day. And third, add more fiber to your diet. Fiber rich foods like oats, fruits and vegetables. It helps to digest the food easily. And next fourth one was add more of whole grain food to your diet instead of refined, that is polished and packaged food. We need to take whole grain food. Okay, whole wheat flour we need to take. Unpolished or brown rice we need to take. Avoid using maida or polished rice. Okay, children. Include milk and milk products. Okay, milk products in the sense curd, buttermilk, and next we have butter, we have ghee. Okay, that is milk products. Eggs and meat in your diet to get proteins, protein rich food. Why it is required? Growing children require more protein. Why? For their growth and development. So you need, growing children, they require more protein. So children, you have to drink 2 glasses of milk, isn't it? Next is avoid adding too much salt, sugar, spices and oil to your food. We should not ask your mother not to add more salt, more sugar in the dessert or sweets and spices and oil to your food. Take little amount of it, which is very good for your health. Do not overeat or eat outside too often. You should not eat over more food. If it is tasty also, we shouldn't eat. It should be a limit. Okay, and we should not eat outside food also more often. It is sometime rare. Okay. And next thing is eat sprouts of wheat, gram, moong, bean and peas. So all these sprouts, which is very protein rich food, protein sources, isn't it? So we need to have protein sprouts in our diet. They promote good health due to their high nutrient content. High nutrient content you can see only in sprouts. Next is eat fermented food like, and next is fermentation. Fermentation, what happen? Growth of bacteria in fermented food we can find, which is very helpful for our body. So that fermented food, if we take, it contains good bacteria, children, which is useful to fight against the diseases and infections. Okay, so what are the fermented foods? Like idli. Okay, you can see idli, dosa, dhokla, buttermilk. All these are the fermented foods. And drink fermented drinks like lassi, yogurt and juices regularly. They help in digestion and protect our body from diseases. So you will not get diseases because fermented food contain bacteria. Good bacteria is seen in the fermented foods. So try to have in your diet idli, dosa, dhokla and fermented drinks like lassi, yogurt and juices. Next is replace aerated drinks with fresh coconut water. So instead of aerated drinks, that is soft drinks, we have to replace it with coconut water and fresh juices and lime water and other homemade drinks. So you can prepare the juices at home and you can have it instead of aerated or soft drinks. Don't take soft drinks. It is not good for your digestion. Okay, children. Next is eat fruits, salads, nuts or sprouts in between meals instead of having unhealthy snacks. Instead of having snacks like pizza, burger, lays, all that, instead of that, You can have fruits daily or salad one day nuts you can have, one day sprouts you can have. Like this daily you maintain timetable and take healthy food. Have small portion of food at regular intervals. And next thing is take small portion of food at some regular intervals. Means morning, then again lunch, breakfast you'll have, lunch you'll have, dinner you'll have. In between that you can take two is like as a snack, so that you will have small portions. So try to have a healthy diet and exercise so that you will be healthy and strong. Next, today let us learn about the topic junk food. Okay children, now let us see what is this junk food. It is any food that contains high amount of sugar, starch and fats with low amount of other nutrients in it. So junk food means what? The food which contain high amount of sugar, means like chocolates, pastries, ice cream, starch and fats with low amount of other nutrients. It does not contain any nutrient, things which is made up of maida and all that, because it doesn't contain any nutrient. If you won't have nutrient, what is the use? Your body will not get anything, isn't it? Snack foods like candies, sweet desserts, fried fast food, potato chips and sugary soft drinks are some examples of junk food. So what is junk food? The food that contains high amount of sugar, starch and fats with a low amount of nutrients. And what is the example of junk food? Snack foods like candies, okay, you can see candies, sweet desserts, okay, you'll have with sweet sugar, drinks, okay, burger, pizza, the sweets you can see potato, here you can see soft drinks, ice cream, chocolates. Okay children, all these are the examples of junk food. Potato chips. These food items may be delicious, but they do not provide any nutritional benefit to us. So all these things you may like, you may fond of, isn't it? But these things, this junk food, it doesn't contain any nutritional value. It doesn't have any nutritional benefit. It doesn't provide any nutritional benefit to our body. So it is like 0% of nutrient you are getting in your body. Instead, the extra fat and starch present in these food get stored in our body, and this may lead to obesity and other health problems with the time. So what happened? We are not at all getting with this junk food any benefit, nutritional benefit, but instead it is making us fat. And what happened? The starch whatever present in this food, it will get stored in our body more, it will be get stored the fat, and which is lead to a condition called obesity and other health problems. So not only obesity, other health problems also we may get. So we have to very careful children. You may be fond of eating an ice cream, isn't it? It is very delicious. First you will think that wow, it is tasty and it is cool, but actually it contains high fat. Okay, more fat nutrient fat will be there that warms up the body. So fat, what happened, we have learned, no? Fat, what it will do? It keeps our body warm. So ice cream contain high amount of fat, so it keeps your body warm. So children, see that it is very delicious to eat, but it doesn't contain any nutrients. So next let us see. Yes, see, all these are the potato chips, lace and all that, candies, okay, pastries, pizzas, the soft drinks you have to avoid, all that candies, all this you need to avoid children, which doesn't contain any nutritional benefit to us. It leads to a condition called obesity and other health problems. Next is adverse effects of junk food. So what happened? What is the effect? If you eat this junk food, what happened? Let us see. When junk food is eaten regularly, okay, if you are taking it as a regularly, the excess fat and starch and sugar in it causes the following ill effects. So what are the ill effects? It increases the risk of obesity, diabetes, blood pressure, and other health problems. So if you take this daily junk food in your diet, what happen? Increase the risk of obesity. You will become, see, if you eat all that big pizza, burger, soft drink, you will become more fat. See how fat is stored in your body. Okay, diabetes, okay, sugar, that is blood pressure. Next is blood pressure, BP, and other health problems you may get. Okay, it doesn't provide enough energy to do work. You will not have any energy, you will not get any energy to do work. Why? Because it results in poor digestion and makes you feel lazy. Your digestion won't be proper. Okay, if you eat junk food, your digestion also doesn't function properly. So if your digestion doesn't function properly, excretory system also doesn't function properly, so which results in poor digestion, and it makes you feel lazy. You are unable to do any type of work. See, only sleeping and lazy you will feel, and it makes us feel full, reducing our intake of healthy and nutrient rich food. What happen when you're taking all this junk food? How you'll get the nutrient? You'll not get any nutrient, isn't it? Your body is lack of nutrient, so you'll get the diseases, different types of diseases you'll get it. So children, try to see that. See, if you're looking also, it's not looking very nice, isn't it? It's looking dirty. So for looking also, it's very not nice. So taking the fat, too much of fat in our body is which results in formation of the health problems. So try to see that, children, you'll avoid junk food, okay, and take your food, that is your diet, healthy. Make your diet healthy so that you will be fit and strong. So if you want to be strong, children, try to avoid this junk food. So whenever you are eating junk food, just remember what happened, what is the adverse effect of this junk food. So try to imagine and try to remember that, and try to avoid it. Okay, as much as possible you can avoid. If anyone is giving also, you say, I don't want to eat junk food. You can have instead other things, other food items. There are varieties of food items available, isn't it? So you can have other food items which gives you nutritional value, okay, which have more nutrients. Like you can have, as I told you, sprouts, you can have salads, you can have nuts, you can have fruits, you can have then vegetables, you can have whichever you like, you feel you fond of, you can have it. Then you can have fruit juices. Instead of taking this soft drinks and all that, you can have juices, coconut water, lime water. Okay, so children, try to avoid this junk food. It is very delicious, isn't it? To your tongue it is very very delicious, but it doesn't have any nutrition value. Now you got it, no? What is a nutrient, what are nutrients, in what way it is helpful. So if you want nutrients, you have to eat healthy diet, balanced diet. If you don't want to be healthy, then you can have your junk food. If you eat junk food, see, within no time you will be getting health problems, other diseases you will be getting, isn't it? Your body won't be fit and strong. It will be feeling lazy, unable to do any type of work. Okay, it will be sleepy. So children, try to take healthy food in your diet. Okay children, I hope you have understood. Next is homework, children. Read the lesson 3 from textbook. Now whatever whatever topic, children, then and there try to open the textbook and read. After watching this video, you can open the textbook and today's topic. In this video, how much topic I covered, that much only you have to read. What happen is, after watching it, if you read, you will be able to understand more easily. Now next is, you will be writing C work and then you will be learning. So the learning part becomes very easy, children. So you first try to understand this lesson, then go for reading textbook, then you can start writing C work and learn the answer. Within no time you will be getting 10 or 15 answers also you can learn. Okay children, so see that you do complete your notes. Third lesson also try to complete of, children, within no time. Next, yes. So children, I hope you have understood very well. Thank you and have a wonderful day.